Good morning students. So already in the previous video we have started nomenclature of branched hydrocarbons. So in that some of the rules we have been covered. The remaining rules we are going to cover in today's video, right? So possibility. Next, second rule is lowest number or lowest sum rule. Lowest number or lowest sum rule. What is this lowest number or lowest sum rule means? See from here 1, 2, 3, 4 CH3, CH2, CH. So this is the numbering we have given. There is no branches, there is no functional group. It is a plain normal carbon chain. Such type of chains, they can get numbering any type. You can give numbering, you can start numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Or else you can get the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, anything is correct because there is no branches, there is no any functional group is present also, right? But in case it is a simple one, select the just a simple plain example if you take. But if you take any branched one, see this example has the branches. What is this compound? I am rewriting here this compound CH3, CH2, CH, CH3 and on this here it is CH3. So how to give the numbering? That is what lowest number. This side chain or branch should get the lowest number or preference should be like that. See, if you give the numbering from this side, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this substituent is getting third position. Means we will write it is as 3-methyl. 3-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. So the root word is but. All are single bonds between the carbon and carbon. So the primary suffix is N. 3-methyl butane, right? This is the first possibility. Suppose if you choose the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the substituent is at the second carbon. Then the naming of this compound is, first we have to write the prefix, that is 2-methyl group. So the prefix is 2-methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, so the prefix is, so the root word is but and the primary suffix is N, butane. So what is lowest sum rule means? If you see here it is 2-methyl, it is 3-methyl. Always we have to prefer the lowest numbering for the substituent. That's why the correct one is 2-methyl butane. 3-methyl butane is wrong. That is the one of the thing we have to remember while writing the nomenclature. Okay, see here one more example also given here. For that also we can write the name. Here one more also given. For that let us check how to write the name. Here CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, CH3. Lowest, this is here substituent is the chloro, Cl, chlorine, that is actually chlorine, but while writing the prefix, that one we have to write as chloro, O should add at the end. So obviously lowest sum rule means we have to give the lowest number to this carbon, to the chlorine containing carbon. If you come this way 1, 2, 3, the chlorine containing carbon is 3 number. If you come this way, the chlorine containing carbon has the 2 number. So I am preferring this order which is correct. So 2, what is the prefix here? Not alkyl group, there is a halo group, means chlorine, halogens. Chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These are called halogens, 7th group elements in the periodic table. If these four, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine is the radioactive element, that one will not consider. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. If these four are present as the substituents, we have to take the prefix as halo, means if it is a fluorine, fluoro, if it is a chlorine, chloro, if it is a bromine, bromo, if it is iodine, we have to take as iodo, right? So this chlorine we have to consider as chloro, 2 chloro, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 carbons, so the root word is but. All single bonds are present between the carbons, so it is ane. Butane, 2 chlorobutane is a correct IUPAC name for the given compound, right? So in last sum rule we have taken 2 points. First one, there is no branch or there is no any functional group, you can give the numbering as you like. If there are any substituents are present, the second point is if there are any substituents are present, those substituents should get the lowest numbering. That is the rule, right? Now next point in the last sum rule. If 2 suffixes are present, means if 2 functional groups are present in the given organic compound, how to name that? If 2 different alkyl groups, not only functional groups, if 2 different alkyl groups are present in the given compound, then we have to name that compound as alphabetical order. Which one comes first in the alphabet, that should get the lowest number. See the given example here. They given, see the first check the branches. This is CH3, it is C2H5. CH3, only one carbon is there, obviously it is methyl. C2H5, 2 carbons are there, so it is ethyl. Check the alphabetical order for these 2 alkyl groups. First one, this is methyl, ethyl. In the alphabets, which one comes first? E comes first. So ethyl group should get the lowest numbering. Ethyl group should get the lowest numbering. So we have to start numbering from this side. Means we have to start numbering from right to left. If you come from left to right, to me, I am talking to me. If you write from left to right, ethyl group is getting 5 as the number, highest number, and methyl group is getting 3, which is lower, but alphabetical order one should come first. That's why the numbering for this carbon from right to left is correct. So if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Third carbon has ethyl group and fifth carbon has methyl. These 2 are prefixes only. These 2 are prefixes. So first we have to write the prefixes. What is that? 3 ethyl. After 3 and ethyl, between 3 and ethyl we have to keep some hyphen like, because that 3 belongs to this ethyl group which represents the number of carbon, comma, and fifth one we have a methyl group, that one also we have to write 5 methyl. Next check the number of carbon atoms in the given in the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to take the longest chain first. So 7 means hept. Hept. All single bonds only present between the carbon and carbon. So this is ane. There is no secondary suffix for this. So what is the name of this compound? 3-ethyl 5-methyl heptane. So in the nomenclature, what is the first? First one we have to choose the longest chain. Second one, the branched one should get the lowest number. If any 2 branches are present, then we have to go through the alphabetical order, right? Now come to the next one. If two different substitutes are the same position from opposite ends, the lowest number assigned of the alphabets. Let us see this example. If you give the numbering here, check the numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give the numbering this side 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give numbering this side, second position bromine, third position chlorine. If you come from this side, second position is chlorine, third position is bromine. So which one is correct? Choose the alphabetical order. This is chloro, bromo. Which one comes first in the alphabetical order? B comes first. So bromine should get the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the name first. 2 bromo, 3 chloro, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons we have but. All single bonds present between the carbons. So the primary suffix is ane. So the name of this compound is 2-bromo 3-chlorobutane. So we have to choose. If any same are present, then we have to give the numbering alphabetical order. According to that we have to give the numbering. Come to the next point. If one alkyl group is present and one halogen group is present, for which one we have to give the first preference? If substituents of a side chain are at the same positions from the opposite ends, lowest number is assigned to the substituents. Suppose see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is chloro. Here it is methyl. Which one comes first in the alphabetical order? C comes, then M. So C should get the lowest number. That's why the order you have to give from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name of this compound will be second position in chloro, 2-chloro. Third position in methyl, 3-methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 carbons are present. So but. So it is called butane. 2-chloro, 3-methyl butane. Right? Now, if more than 2 substituents are present as the side chains, more than 2 substituents, see here 1, 2, 3. In the given example, total we have 3 substituents. In this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 substituents are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 substituents are present. If more than 2 substituents are present, the number should give the lowest preference based on the lowest numbering. Okay, which one gets the, in the alphabetical order, which one comes in the lowest order, that one we have to, irrespective of the nature of the side chain or substituent. We have to the lowest at the first preference. Let us check, then you will understand. Let us check these examples. I will come to the first one now. This is the first example. In this we have 1, 2, 3, total 3 substituents we have. Right? 3 are methyl groups only. 3 are methyl groups only. Then in the, to select the alphabetical order, all will be M only. There is no possibility to select through methyl group, right? So here we have to follow the lowest sum rule. First select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Obviously this is the longest chain, right? All are single bonds only. That is the another phenomena. So root word and primary suffix is clear. But in the prefix, which one should come first is important to us. Here we have to follow lowest sum rule. Here written two sides. From right to left they written the numbering. From left to right they written the numbering. Just check while writing from left to right the numbering. See here. 2. First one. Here I am writing from left to right. First one is 2. Second one it is 3. And it is at the 6th position. Take the numbering from left to right. Then it is at second one, it is at 5th one, it is at 6th one. So 2 plus 5 plus 6. Now we have to choose the lowest sum rule. Here one thing we have to remember, lowest sum means addition of these numbers and which one gets the lowest wrong. Not here addition. After writing the carbon numbers here, first you have to check the first number. 2 same. So leave it. Suppose here 4 is there, here 2 is there, then we will go to the 2 only because lowest number we have to choose. Next come, then first numbers both are same, that's why come to the next number. Here it is 3, here it is 5. Which is lower? 3 is lower. So we have to choose this numbering. We have to choose this numbering. 2, 3, 6 numbering is correct. Not 2, 5, 6. Lowest number rule. So we have to name from right to left. This adder is correct. 2 methyl, 3 methyl, 6 methyl. Instead of writing these many times methyl, we will write simply the name 2, 3, 6, trimethyl. Means 3 methyl groups are there. So we have to write tri. If 2 methyl groups are present, di. If 4 methyl groups are present, tetra. 5 methyl groups are present, penta. So here we have 3 methyl groups, so we will write tri. 2, 3, 6, trimethyl. Number of carbons are 7, hept. All are single bonds between the carbons, so ane. So 2, 3, 6, trimethyl heptane is the correct naming. Okay, we will go with another example. We will see in next example. See here. In this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 carbons are there, so that is the longest chain. But see here, bromine, methyl, iodine and chlorine. It is chloro, it is iodo, it is methyl, it is bromo. So alphabetical order one should get the lowest numbering. First B will come. If you go for numbering from bromine side, because bromine in the alphabetical order bromine comes first, that's why I will start numbering from right to left. If you think like that, just check the numberings of the substituents. Bromine is in first position, 1. Methyl, if you go from right to left I am talking, so methyl group is in third and iodo is 4 and chloro is 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If you come numbering from chlorine side, chloro, iodo, methyl, bromo, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So according to our lowest sum rule, first numbers are same only. But check the next numbers. It is 11, it is 13, not that way, Nana. Just we have to check these numbers. It is 2, it is 3. Which one is lower? This is lower. So we will prefer this one. Means numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from left to right is correct. And numbering from this way is wrong. So the name of this compound, bromo, alphabetical order one should come first, right? So in 5th position bromine is there, 5 bromo. After B, chloroiodomethane, C will come. So 1 chloro, iodomethyl, which comes first? Iodo comes, then M. So 2 iodo, 3 methyl pentane. 5 bromo, 1 chloro, 2 iodo, 3 methyl pentane is the correct one based on lowest sum rule, right? Let us see the next one. This is the next example. So here they given the longest chain with 10 carbons. So if 10 carbons are present, that is obviously dec. All are single bonds only, decane. So root word and suffixes are clear. Root word and primary suffix is clear. But comes to the prefix, there is no secondary suffix because no other functional group, all are substituents only. Here see, it is 1 CH3, here it is CH3, here it is CH3, all are methyl groups only. So we have to choose the lowest numbering. If you give the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is getting 3 plus 4 plus 9. If you come the numbering from that side, 2 plus 7 plus 8, according to the lowest number 2 and 3, 2 is the lowest number, so numbering 2 is the correct one. So writing the numbering from this order is correct. From this order is correct. So obviously the numbering is 2, 7, 8, 3 methyl groups are there. So 2, 7, 8, trimethyl, 10 carbons are chain is there. So dec, all are single bonds N. So the name of this compound is 278 trimethyl decane, right? So these are the namings while using the lowest sum rule, right? So 1 minute. Yes. So already this one also we have seen. See, irrespective of that one, already this point we have discussed. More than 2 substituents, CH3, CH3, CH3 is present, we have to go to 236 trimethyl heptane like, right? So this is the using the longest chain rule and lowest sum rule. How to naming already we have discussed in this video. I hope you understand this class, right? So still we have some more rules with other rules of nomenclature will come into the next video, right? So please do watch our video. Thank you so much.